you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have September's Little Bee box and Little Bee hair accessory box to show you. Do you want to see what's in my boxes? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, September 2023 Little Bee box and Little Bee hair accessories box just arrived. They did send these to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your boxes to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys have seen my other unboxings of this is basically a baby, toddler, small child subscription box that you can send either for your own child or for somebody else. If you know that they're having a baby shower or a kid's birthday, you can always send a one-time box and they find all of the stuff for you that's age appropriate for that child, male or female. They take all the guesswork out and do everything for you. Or you can do the subscription box and you can either send it as a gift or you can get it for yourself for your own child. And I really, really love that they have those different options and the concept of this box. So let's go ahead and dive in and let's go with the Little Bee box first. I love the box. It's so bright and cheerful. Plus these are constructed so well so you can always repurpose them, use them for storage, that kind of thing. And then when we open it up, that's what it looks like inside. It says September, new day beginning, new strength. The importance of morning routines. And it gives you like some information to read to help you with some morning routines. I love that they also give you useful information on here as well. Then you do have their card, which is the Little Bee box, and it says thank you for your purchase. And it looks like this when we cut the tape. There's a sneak peek to the presentation on the inside of the box. So basically with this one, it's curated for my friend's child in mind because I unfortunately do not have any, but my friend has the cutest little one and I do get to see her quite often. So the great thing is I told the owner if you want to send it age appropriate for her, I can pass the box down to my friend who can actually send me photos of her daughter in them. And that's what I've been doing to show you guys and I love it. Plus I get some baby time when she comes over. So it's definitely a win-win. So the first thing says, fantabulous, shapes baby animals. And I know my friend reads to her every single night. She knows her little routine. And if they don't do their routine for her, she is not a happy camper. It's just so cute how they pick up on routines at such an early age. So here is the book, Shapes Baby Animals. And that's what it looks like inside. And so for this right here, this baby reading book is $2.49. So there is that. Super cute. Next up, we have, that is just so cute. And I love the little sound it's making. So you can hang this anywhere for them to have like a little toy to play with. That is super, super cute. She's going to love playing with that. So this right here is Bright Starts Mini Stuffed Animal, valued for $5.49. So there is that. And also keep in mind, this is just curated, again, for my friend's age. So if they were younger or older, all the stuff in the box would be completely different for that age-appropriate child. So there is that. It's so cute. And I love those colors, the purple and the teal together. So there's the second item. Now we have, oh, there's Mickey Mouse. This here says Disney Baby Food Grade Silicone Teether. And that's awesome because she is teething right now. So hopefully that'll give her a little soothing on her gums. And I love like that mint color. My friend's gonna love that too. Because again, she shares the same, the same with the colors, the teal and the mint that I do. So she's gonna love that. But I love how it's Disney, it's Mickey Mouse. So there is a teether. Yeah, that's a really good thing for right now because again, she is definitely teething. So that is gonna help her. Now we have is Johnson's Baby Shampoo. That's a great size too. It is Johnson's Baby Shampoo, 6.8 ounces, and this is valued at $3.99. Definitely have to wash their hair. So that is great to have in the box. So you have a baby shampoo. Now we have, it says, set of 2 exfoliating gloves, 2 colors, helps exfoliate dry, dull skin. So there's a white set and a pink set. This here says exfoliating gloves, set of 2, free gift. So then, okay, so now this is, I think, my 3rd box. The first one, I wasn't quite sure what was going on when it said free gift. I'm like, oh, there's a free gift. But then the 2nd box, there was a free gift too. So what I'm picking up on, and I hope I'm not incorrect, but what I'm picking up on is every month there's one little free gift for the mom. And I think that's amazing. The first box, there was a really pretty mug and a really pretty spoon that went with it. Last month, I think, was like little eye patches to soothe the bottom of your eyes. So this time you have a set of 2 exfoliating gloves. So you can use this, put some body wash or soap on it, and you can scrub your body with it to help get some exfoliation. But that is really neat that every single month you get a free gift for the mom. I think that's super, super neat. So there's the free gift for this month. And then now we have is the outfit. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of pieces in here. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay, hold on. Oh my gosh, she's going to look adorable in this. Now, I did say to keep it at 3 to 6 months because she is super, super tiny, even though, how old is she now? Oh my gosh, she's just growing like a weed. 8 or 9 months now, but she is still super, super petite and tiny. So these are gonna look so cute on her. Oh my gosh. So you have this right here, and I don't know if you're going to pick up on it, but there's these, okay, you see that little, there's little, like throughout the entire thing, there's like these little rhinestones that give you like a little sparkle. Do you see that? It's on the sleeves. It's through the whole entire shirt. So you have that. And then here are the cutest little pants, and it even has like the little bow that matches the same color of the shirt. And then there's even this here. So you can use this one that matches it perfectly, or that one. And this one is a onesie. Oh my gosh. And oh my gosh, there's even a headband to match. This is absolutely adorable. Hold on, let me get this off so we can see the whole headband. But this is so cute. It says Little Lass Baby 3-piece set with headband included. So technically it's a 4-piece set, you guys, valued at $29.49. But oh my gosh, that is just super, super cute because it matches it perfectly with that same color that is either for this or for this one. And then it has that same print with those same like iridescent-y little spots on there that the shirt has. Isn't that super, super cute? Oh my gosh. Okay, Anastasia, when you coming over? Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to see her in this, you guys. That is adorable. A 4-piece set right there. This, I think, is my favorite one that have came in the box. This is super, super adorable. I absolutely love that. So that is everything for this little bee box. Again, it's all age appropriate for whatever age you are purchasing it for. But in this one, we have a 4-piece outfit that is so cute. And I love those colors. Perfect for like coming up on fall with like this type of a color on here. That is really, really cute. You have a Disney teether, baby shampoo, exfoliating gloves for the mom as a free gift. The cutest little toy for them to play with, and I love that sound. And then there is a book. All right, you guys, so that is everything for the little bee box for September. Let's go with the hair accessories box. It does come in this, and I do say that if you wanted to save these, like you can even write like headbands, rubber bands, or a certain color. So if you wanted to organize your daughter's hair things that way, you could, and then you can just, like I said, label it here and stack them up, and then they're kind of organized. Or you can use these boxes for whatever you like. But this one has its own card for the little bee hair accessories, saying thank you for your purchase. And down inside of here will be all of the accessories for this month. So first up we have is a brush and comb set. Out of the package, there you go. So it's a matching comb and brush set. Definitely brush their hair. Then we have, oh my gosh, this one is super cute. It's a little like clip like this style. And it has like these little balls on it with all these different colors. So that would be cute to go with like any color that you're wearing pretty much, because it has all of those different colors on the bow. That's so cute. Then we have, oh, this one is super cute too. It's like a little princess, and it has like this little tutu little flare thing of tulle that goes around it. It has little like stars or hearts on there. And this one is also the same style here. And then the last thing in here is like a little bonnet. Ooh, it feels like a silky one. It's really cute, but there's a little bonnet and there's a little thing right here that you can tie behind. So that is everything in the hair accessories box. Again, all age appropriate. So for my friend's daughter, we have the bonnet. You have this and this little hair clip, which is super cute. And then you have the brush and comb set. Okay, you guys, so now that is everything for the hair accessories box for September. Now I've shown you both. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of them? I am just super excited about the outfit for this month. I cannot wait to see that little girl in it. Oh my gosh, she's gonna look absolutely adorable. If you would like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty, and that will get you 30% off your very first box. If you are interested, they will all be linked down below. So for the big box that I opened up first, this one will include 5 to 8 products picked by passionate parents on our board to make every day fun and fulfilling for your baby, making every moment memorable and joyous. They also ask you several questions at checkout so they can tailor the box for the child that it's going to be going to. You can do the gold, which is just the month-to-month term. It's $51.95 per month. Silver is the 6-month term. It's $45.95. And if you go to the platinum, that's a full year term, and it brings the box price down to $43 per box. The Little Bee hair accessory box. We've created a magical experience for your little ones with our kids hair accessory box. Packed with wonder and excitement, each box will contain not just one, not just 2, but 5 delightful items that will bring you joy to their hairdos. And that one, they do ask you several questions as well, so it will be tailored to the baby or child that it will be going to. The gold month to month is $20.95. The silver, which is a 6-month term, is $17.99. And if you do the platinum, which is the full 12-month term, brings it down to $15.99. And they also have the one-time gift box, which I really love. That's the one where I was saying if you're going to a baby shower or a child's birthday, you can purchase that one-time box, either ship it to yourself so you can wrap it and bring it with you, or if you're not going to attend it or you live too far, that kind of thing, they just ship it straight to the recipient and then they will get it. That one is only $65 and it's free US shipping. And when you do select this one, you get to select newborn, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, or 24 months. And then you select a color, pink, blue, or neutral. And then they take everything over from there. The box will be filled with things appropriate for that specific child. So again, you don't have to go to the store and try to find anything or worry about it. They will have you covered. $65 with free shipping for that box. And I think that is great. You can cancel at any time for the subscriptions. And again, everything will be listed down below, and SheCrafty will get you 30% off your very first box. So that is everything that I have for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.